Graphic organizers is a great strategy to use to plan for professional action. The first thing I thought of was adding graphics and reorganizing my Google Classroom page for my students. My Google Classroom page consists of assignments I post, videos, Quizlets, as well as the homework for each night. When reading the article, An Evolving Roadmap, Students' Perceptions of and Contributions to Graphic Organizers Within an Academic Wiki, I immediately thought of sharing this information with my team so that we can make our webpage a little more engaging. One thing we all have on our webpage is organization. However, we lack the use of graphics. The author of this article states, in order to maximize the effect of a wiki, a complete structural redesign, followed by some pretty colors and pictures, would go a long way. This includes adding visuals, such as mind maps and graphics.